Hello guys, today we are going to make a YouTube video downloader in Python. I'm using Visual Studio Code as my IDE and I have made a 5 YouTube video downloader.py. So let's get started. Let's talk about the modules needed. The modules needed are only we need PyTube. Okay, which you can simply download by typing pip install pytube. And now we need to simply import YouTube from pytube. Import YouTube. Okay, so guys, let's make a variable link. You have to get the link from the user. So we have to write the input command and a simple text. Enter the link of the video that you wish to download. Okay, now we are making another variable yt, which is the link, actually YouTube link. Okay, now we are making another small variable ys. Now we have to get the highest possible quality of the video. So streams.get highest resolution. Okay, next you can add a try loop. Here, how can we know that the process has been started? So it will print downloading. Okay friends, now the process is to proceed, so we are just simply downloading ys.download, and here you have to give the location in which the file shall be downloaded. Okay, I'm giving my F drive as the location, and here you need to print. How can we know that the process has been completed? So download complete. Okay, next, as we have added a try loop, we have to add an except loop. So in this video, in this except loop, you can simply print video not found. Okay, video not found. Let's run our code, and it will ask for the link. It has asked for the link, and I am just entering any simple YouTube link, and I have pressed enter. Now let's check what happens. Here you can see downloading, and download has been completed. So our video has been downloaded with no errors. So guys, I request you to just hit on the subscribe button, and if you find this video useful, just hit on the like button. And if you have any errors, any questions in your mind, just type it in the comment below. So, and I promise you to respond to every single comment. Okay, and please do share this video to your friends and family. Thank you.